Hello dear viewers, in that new lesson we are going to learning about Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a Python library which is the most popular and attentive language. So in that part we are learning about how to use that Matplotlib visualization. So let's get started into our main video. Firstly, we need to open our Visual Studio Code in our desktop, and then here is our data we created into part 11. So in that part 12, we are making the Matplotlib new file. So left click mouse and then click here, new file, and call it Matplotlib mat1.python. Okay, now enter it, and now in that case we are going to download the Matplotlib. How to install the Matplotlib? Pip install Matplotlib. When you enter that, you will install your Matplotlib. Then you restart your Visual Studio Code. Okay. Now when you restart your Visual Studio Code, enter that command and import it. Import matplotlib dot pyplot s plt. Okay, that is the matplotlib's command. Now enter it one another time and import the numpy. We are using this lesson numpy. So import numpy as np. Okay, now done. Enter it 2 times and then XPTS equals to np.array. Okay, and not np.array. What array we should do? This bracket, first bracket, and third bracket. It is the most bracket we used into that Pythons. So 0, firstly 10. Secondly, we use YPTS equals to look that and work. Okay. Now you easily work in your Matplotlib course. np.array another time bracket, third bracket, and then 0, 125. Now done. Now we see the plot. So you are using the plot hashtag using the plot of mat :8 semicolon enter and then plot plt. This command we used plt dot plot. What plot we should use? We use into XPTS, YPTS. This command. And now hashtag show that matplotlib mat. Okay, I call it mat. Enter it plt another time and show it. Now done our code. Here is a run button called. Click here. And now the code is going to run. Now here is our Matplotlib bit size. Okay. Now guys, I hide this. Now guys, you can see this Matplotlib. Here is a line called I have to close this and see this. Here is our 125 and 10 means our Matplotlib. This line is That is the line of our Matplotlib. Now, we are going to close this Matplotlib, okay? Now, that time we backspaces all of that, import numpy as np to plt.show, backspace it, and then now we are using the demo2. Now, this video is double by demo2. Now, in that case, we are going to import that pandas. Import pandas as pd. Now that time, enter it another time and make the data. Okay, data equals to second bracket, enter. I call it name colon third bracket, what, Rajiv, comma, Rohan, comma, Sima, comma, Jila. In that time, we are making this role colon bracket 1. When you not import your comma, this wrongly answer is red marks mean our not code is working. This means it is the warning signs. When you import that comma, the warning signs is gone. This is the method you look at out. Now, in that row 1, row 12, comma, row 8, comma, row 9, comma, row 4, comma, 6. That name and that role is the important. If your name is 1, 2, 3, 4, your role must be 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I entered that 2 digits more. Now, this is the case. If you try to different thing, okay, last thing we see this, okay, now roll, and then last thing we see the wrong answer. Roll class, what class they read, colon, brackets, and then 7, 9, 8, 3. And then enter it one another time, and the data we completed. Now we see into the data frame. Firstly, df equals to pd dot data frame. This data frame count. What data frame we should do? We do that data into import it. Data. Okay, and then we are using the plt.show method. plt.show not plt.plot method. So hashtag using the plot method colon it plt.plot. What plot we should do? Firstly, you use that pandas. That is the another code we using. Okay, df that bracket, and we import that firstly roll c, roll, comma, another df, that is the function called, third bracket, and then class. I see the name. You can see another name. Okay. Now we show this plot, show plot as pyplot colon plt.show method. Now done. In our case, we run here, click here, and then the code is running also. Now here is our Jila, Shima, Rohan, Rajiv. We imported here Rajiv, Rohan, Shima, Jila. This is the Matplotlib's another code. See this ranks here 2, 4. That is the role. We see this role. Okay. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. That is the row we imported 1, 12, 8, 9. Sorry guys, that is the another. Okay, now we are seeing this error function. And here is a roll call. We see this double digit, see this error. So comma it another time and call it 6. Okay, now run that code again. And we see the error. A. Now that is our error function called. And this is the error. You see this guys? So let's recommend it to look your code and code again and again. So I give you this code in my description, I promise you. So guys, this is the function I using that. That is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button. Assalamualaikum.